Yes, good morning children. The last class we are done some of the problems, that is to find the product by using the identity, and also we are factorized by using the identity. So here we are going to do some more problems from the exercise 2.5. So fourth problem is asking us to find the product. Expand each of the following using the suitable identities. Please, these identities you have to be repeatedly learn daily. I give you only the 11 or 12 identities. They are very, very, very important. That will be help us to solve the problems. So here, x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. Asking us to expand, that means asking to find the product by using the identity. Actually, in the general method, we have to multiply x plus 2y plus 4z into x plus 2y plus 4z. But need not to multiply like that, we have to apply the formula. That formula is a plus b plus c whole square is equal a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. It is the identity. Based on this, we are going to find the expansions or the products. So here, first one, what is it? X plus 2y plus 4z whole square. Take this first term as a, second term as a b, and third term as a c. You can denote like this also. A is equal to x, b is equal to y plus c, c is equal 4z. Nothing wrong to denote like that. Now, a plus b plus c whole square. So a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So write it here according to that formula. X square plus 2y whole square plus 4z whole square plus 2ab. A means x into b means 2y plus 2bc means 2 into b 2y c 4z plus 2 into ca, c is the 4z into a, x. Split out the brackets and write the product. Now x square plus 2y whole square 4y square plus 16z square plus 2 to the 4xy plus 2 to the 4 4 the 16yz plus 2 4 the 8zx. See that how easily we are calculated such a big product. Same like that, we can take one more question. Third one you can take minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. Minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. This is also in the form of a plus b plus c whole square. So where there is a minus, you should write in the form of our identity, that is minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. That means here what we can take, a is equal to minus 2x, okay, b is equal to 3y, c is equal to 2z. Now a plus b plus c whole square, a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2BC plus 2CA. Compulsorily you have to write the formula, mention it for every problem. That will be help you for a good practice. A square minus 2x whole square plus b square 3y whole square plus c square 2z whole square plus 2ab 2 into a means minus 2x, b means 3y plus 2bc 2 into 3y into 2z plus 2ca 2 into 2z into minus 2x. Now we can split the brackets. Is equal to minus 2x whole square 4x square plus 9y square plus 4z square. It's a minus 2 to the 4, 3 is 12 into minus 12xy. Here 2 3 is 6 to the 12 plus 12yz plus 2 to the 4 to the 8 plus into minus 8z. This is the product of this. So what is the difference here and here? Here all the positive terms he gave, here one negative term he gave. Sometimes he will give you more than 2 terms are negative. So we can take that type of the question also. Okay? Now, next problem you can see that minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square. So in these 2 terms are the negative terms. Minus 2x plus 5y minus 3z whole square. So this also 3 terms we can denote it as A, B and C. So you can write it as now minus 2x plus 5y plus minus 3z whole square. It is easy to denote that A, B, C. So here A is equal to, you can take minus 2x, B is equal 5y, C is equal minus 3z. Now A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Put that formula identity in a bracket. Now A square, what we denoted A has minus 2x whole square plus B square 5y whole square plus C square minus 3z whole square plus 2ab 2 into A minus 2x into 5y plus 2bc 2 into 5y, C means minus 3z plus 2ca 2 into minus 3z into minus 2x. Now can split the brackets. Is equal to minus 2x whole square, that is the 4x square plus 25y square minus 3z whole square plus 9z square. Here plus into minus into plus, minus 2 to the 4 5 is 20 xy. Here the plus into minus, minus 2 5 is 10 3 is 30 yz. Here plus into minus plus 2 3 is 6 to the 12 zx. It is the product of this problem. Okay? In this way, we are able to calculate the products by using the identities. Okay? Shall we go for that any other problem? Yes. We'll go for the last one from this. 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 whole square. Just the difference is here that whole numbers, here the fractions he give. So this also you can write 1 by 4a plus minus 1 by 2b plus 1 whole square. So here a is equal, what should be taken that? 1 by 4a, b is equal to minus 1 by 2b, c is equal to 1. According to the formula, a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Here question you have to write, for every question you have to write the identity. That will be make you that more practice. That is why I am writing that formula for every problem. Now for this, a square means 1 by 4 a whole square, b square plus minus 1 by 2b whole square plus c square 1 square plus 2ab, 2 into 1 by 4 a into b minus 1 by 2b plus 2bc, 2 into minus 1 by 2b into c means 1 plus 2ca, 2 into 1 into 1 by 4. Now you can split the brackets, is equal to 1 by 16 a square plus 1 by 4 b square plus 1. Here 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 1 by 2a into minus 1 by 2a minus 1 by 4 ab. Here plus into minus into plus minus 2 2 cancel, minus 1b into 1 minus b. Here 2 ones are 2 twos are. How much? 2 into 1, that is 1 into 1 by 2. How much? 1 by 2 a. This is the product of this problem. So this is the way to calculate the products by using the identities. Okay? Please, you have to go through that identities daily once. Read out that perfectly you have to learn, because that identities only will be help us to find the products and also will be help us to find the factors of the given problem. Okay? We'll see you in the next class. There we have to learn how to factorize if we give the product. Here he gave that factors and we are calculated the product. The next time he will give the product and we have to find the factors. So that we can go, that we are going to discuss in the next class. Okay? Goodbye. See here, the homework. Please you have to do that. Problems from 4th bit. Already explained 1 or 2. Then again you have to do that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the homework compulsory. Okay? What are the homework? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sums from the 4th bit. Even I explained that problems also you have to do in the homework. That will be give that more practice. Okay?